I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to tune your BMW M4 in Forza 5, step by step. First, let's understand the basics. A well-balanced tune is absolutely essential for achieving optimal performance and setting fast lap times. Every adjustment you make directly influences how your car handles, accelerates, and reaches its top speed. We will start by selecting a good base tune, or even a highly rated community setup, as our foundation for further refinements. Next, we'll dive into the suspension and drivetrain. Fine-tuning your spring rates and damping is key for achieving superior cornering stability, allowing your M4 to hug the track. Setting your anti-roll bars correctly will minimize body roll, especially during those aggressive, high-speed turns. Finally, configuring your differential settings properly ensures optimal power delivery to the wheels, maximizing traction and helping you put down all that horsepower effectively. Now, let's focus on aerodynamics and tires. Optimizing your aerodynamic downforce is vital for maintaining high-speed grip and stability, especially on fast straights and sweeping corners. Carefully fine-tuning your tire pressures ensures the maximum contact patch with the road, providing superior grip. Additionally, adjusting camber, toe, and caster settings will give you that precise steering response and control you need to shave off precious seconds. Finally, we address braking and the crucial test drive phase. Adjusting your brake balance and pressure is essential for achieving consistent, powerful stopping without locking up. After making your initial adjustments, it is absolutely critical to perform extensive test drives on various tracks. Use these sessions to evaluate your tune's effectiveness, making small, incremental adjustments based on your lap times and how the car feels to you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.